put your hands on me. She was the girl next door, that's my finest neighbor. Told her if she wants some sugar, baby, don't be a stranger. And she said, when I need something sweet, I'll be coming over to you. That girl was knocking in the middle of the night, wearing nothing but a robe that she took off inside. And she said, boy, I'm getting cold, here's what I need you to do.
Darling, you are the only one I need.
No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid.
Just as long as you kiss me before you leave. So baby, put your hands on me. Put your hands on me.
Right now, you're the only one I need. So baby, put your hands on me. Both hands on me. When we dance, put your hands all over me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5